What's up, guys? I haven't done a review in a while, and I saw this at the store. Frostbite. I've never had that, so I was like, I'm gonna get it. And then I got home and I was like, hey, I'm gonna do a review. Good idea, right? Anyways, so here's a crack. There you go. There's a specific pop that I've tasted that tastes just like this. The aftertaste reminds me of Play-Doh. Yes, that's what it is. You know the Mountain Dew Christmas flavored? Can't remember what it's called, but it's Christmas and it has like, it's kind of spicy. It's kind of weird. The beginning tastes like that a little bit. That Christmas flavor. But then it turns mellow, sour, plasticky. Not good. This kind of sucks. Kind of mad I bought it now. I had a 6-pack. Fuck. I like caffeine, so I'll probably keep drinking it, but out of 10, $1.3, just because I like the beginning taste a little bit, and the color of it. Favorite color is blue. Kind of grows on you, but as long as you keep drinking, you never get that shitty taste. Ooh. I wouldn't buy that. I really won't ever buy this ever again. And if I see anyone drinking it, they're like, oh, you guys gotta try the MT.Dew Frost Bite. I'll start laughing in their face and say, buddy, I'm a culinary expert, and you don't know shit.